Yeah, he's good. I can't. I was gonna pick him up, but now yeah, spin of the hard style.
Swallow the fire with your sword.
Oh.
What if we just watch him light himself on fire and we don't have a ride home?
Does he have a towel in the car?
No!
No?
He has clothes, he has boxers.